What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. You guys are probably like, hold on. Hold the phone. Hold up. Wait a minute. So you guys, listen, I am super sorry. Why is this camera like this? First of all, I need to say I am so sorry. You guys, I have a sleeping disorder. So when I don't sleep, I literally get like depressed. I get anxiety where I literally can't do anything. And the only thing that helps me, honestly, is working, because it keeps my mind so busy, so occupied. And then when it comes to my day off, I'm like blank. Like, I don't want to do anything. I don't want to leave the house. Like, I get like wrapped up in it too much. And I'm trying my hardest, you guys, to fight this so I could film more. I could be on here more because, excuse me, there's nothing more than I love than filming and talking to you guys and back and forth with you guys. Like, I just love you guys so much, and it bothers me that I was not able to film for this long. But I'm glad I'm back, you guys, and I'm trying my hardest. Thank you for holding on so long. Like, I really appreciate you guys. Like, I love you. The DMs that I got, everything that I got, like, you guys are totally awesome, and I love you guys. So let's get into this, you guys. I have a giveaway. I have products to show you. I have a lot of things going on today in this video. So yes, I'm going to get my hair done. And it's going to be a different color next time you see me, because like I told you guys, I've been gray since I'm 18. So this, when I do it myself, it just gets too bright and it's not like enough, and the color deposits right here. And this is bright because it's like white. You know what I'm saying? So I totally missed you guys. Now let's get into this, because I got some amazing stuff to show you. I'm going to show you the giveaway in like 2 minutes. Okay, so I went to the Desi Perkins and Katie Masterclass for Maybelline. It was so amazing. Actually, I brought one of my subscribers with me. She's actually my friend now, which I love the fact that you guys, it can turn into a friendship if you guys live close. Like, I just love you guys. So I did invite her with me. So we got to see Desi and Katie, and it was really cool. They did like this whole thing on their, you know, favorite products. So their favorite products were the Maybelline, which absolutely is the best drugstore lipstick ever that I have tried so far. The highlighter, which I already own, I have. And then I got 2 of these palettes, which I will be giving away because I don't need them, you guys. And that's another thing I'm going to talk about, how much money I spent on makeup and everything. It's a little bit overwhelming. We got pens that say Maybelline, super cute. So that will be going into a giveaway. Now, one thing I do have to tell you that I have been using on my skin every single day, and I do use the CE Ferulic from them, but this is the HA Intensifier from SkinCeuticals, you guys. This is no joke, okay? And when I tell you, not only was this sent to me from Octoly, that's not the reason why I love it, and SkinCeuticals, I sell this, you guys, all day, every day. When I tell you, I probably sell about 5 to 8 items from this line of SkinCeuticals, you guys, it's totally worth it. It changes your skin, the appearance of your fine lines, wrinkles, hydration. SkinCeuticals, follow them on Instagram, you guys, or go to any of your big department stores or your high-end stores where they sell this. It's absolutely bomb. Love it. And then I got, which I'm going to put one of them in the giveaway, is the Instant Lift Trio from Grande Lips, you guys. Oh, let me just show you the color that I am keeping. And the other one I'm going to put in a giveaway. It's so beautiful. Like, it literally is just like so pigmented, amazing, beautiful for the summer. And I thought you guys would like it. And they were kind enough to send me 3. So I'm definitely going to put one in a giveaway. Then, wait, you guys, because I got the best subscription boxes that will blow your minds. I also got Biker Babe from Velvet 59. You guys, these are so pigmented, so freaking beautiful. Like, look at that. Bam. And purple is in for this season, you guys. Oh, this, you want this palette. Look how cute it is. I absolutely love this. See what's behind me? I'm telling you guys, one day you're going to see that on a palette. You're going to see it on a palette. I'm going to try my hardest. You're going to see, because these are my favorite lines behind me on my board. Then the next one from Velvet 59, this one, the Rose Metals palette, you guys. Okay, first of all, look at the packaging. The packaging is like super cool. Look at that. I absolutely love it. Love this line. And look at these. And you can pop them out and change them if you want, you guys. Just I don't know. They don't get enough credit on here. I don't see a lot of people talk about this line on YouTube. I do see it a lot on Instagram. But you guys, follow Velvet59. I freaking love it so much. And I thank them so much because it's pretty freaking amazing. All right, you guys, ready for this amazing, amazing beauty box? The first one I'm going to show you is from Cold Crush, okay? This was from last month, and then I'm going to show you this month. We got the Wispies. I tried them. I'm not a big fan of these lashes. They're too much for me because my eyes are so small, but they're good for people who really don't have lashes in their collection. Just make sure you cut them to fit you, and then they'll be okay. Then we also got, which I was super excited for to try, which I still haven't tried it yet, is the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day. Yeah, Slay All Day. Let's see what this is. It's their setting spray in, I don't even know what the smell is. I'll tell you right now. Coconut. You guys, it smells so freaking good. Slay All Day by Gerard Cosmetics. Absolutely freaking smells amazing. Then in this box, you guys, we got a palette. It's called Chi Chi Spices and Eyeshadow Palette. Okay, wait till you see this palette. I opened it up. I didn't use it yet because, like I said, when I get in like that depressed mode, when I'm home, I don't really do makeup or anything like that. Which I'm trying, you guys. I'm trying. So this is the Chi Chi palette. Comes with a brush. Absolutely freaking beautiful. Now, you guys, I don't remember how much I pay for this box a month. I think it's $15. Might be a little bit less, but it's not $20. That's for sure. And this, I don't even know what it is to tell you what it is, but that's what we got in last month's box. Now I want to show you this month's box because it's amazing. But before I show you this month's box, you guys, there's 2 more days left to my big, humongous giveaway. So make sure that you guys are entered. I can't even look at myself, like, really. Make sure you guys are entered. And then I'm doing another giveaway right now. And that is the BoxyCharm. You guys, I get 2 because I give 1 away. And I keep 1 for myself. You'll be getting this beautiful blush. It's so beautiful, you guys. I have it. I own it. I love it. You know what? This vintage brush, I saw these in TJ Maxx. They're amazing because I bought a few before. Now you'll be getting 3 of these, and it tells you each one what is for, which is super cool. Then you would be getting the mask for underneath your eyes. You guys, I have used mine. I'm not going to open it. I'm sure you guys know what it looks like already. Well, you know what? I'll open it real fast. I'm not going to touch it. This is for you guys. This is the BoxyCharm Pure Collab. When I tell you that blue right there, bam. Like, literally stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. I love, love, love it. What is today's date? Because I am doing a giveaway on this. Today is the 20th. I'll be announcing the winner of this giveaway on Monday the 26th. So I'm not going to keep it up for long because I want you guys to have it and to be able to use it right now. So just leave a comment below saying what you like about my channel or what kind of videos you want to see me start to do, like different. Then also I want to show you something else that I got from work, which is super cool. Look at this. Oh, bam. So, you see that? It's a little ring light. It's so awesome, you guys. You put it on your phone and you charge it. I freaking love, love, love it so much. All right, so now this is the Cult Beauty box for this month, March. You guys, when I opened it, I was like, what? For what we pay, I'm telling you, I love BoxyCharm. This is my 2nd favorite beauty box of all time. We got the Ricky Sponge, which I did not try yet. Oh, look, it matches my backgrounds. The sponge, I have not tried it yet, but, you know, I'll try, see how it looks. I don't know who this beautiful girl is. So then we also got, now mind you guys, it's like $15 a month. We got a set of House of Lashes, which I think they're like $15 right there. We also got a liquid liner. Wait, it doesn't stop, you guys. The LA Pro and Prep. We'll try that because I've never tried that before. Check this out, what we got. A palette, another palette, you guys. I am not affiliated. I am not sponsored with Cult Beauty Box, but I highly recommend you guys signing it up. I wish I had a link for you guys, but I don't. Maybe I can reach out to them and get one because you guys need this in your life. Look at this palette. Yes, I know it's an old palette, like not old, you know, this is new to me, but it's been around for a while. But you guys, ugh, look at this. Like, seriously, for 15 bucks, we got everything. I'm sure this palette alone, I think I saw it in Kohl's. I think it had to be like $30 or something like that. Don't quote me on it, but I just wanted to show you guys because I freaking love this beauty box so much. Then the other beauty box that I have been getting is the Allure beauty box. Now, I'm very, 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 very happy with the Allure beauty box. This is $10 a month. Super cute, you guys. I mean, it comes with some really good products. Sometimes it's a hit or miss. This is the highlighter. This is a Tarte mascara. What else? This is a good way to add up to your makeup collection by getting beauty boxes. I highly recommend them. This is a tiny little lipstick from Juice Beauty. Also Skin Fix. They always put Skin Fix in here. This is a lip repair. Looking forward to trying that. And this is green tea hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid, you guys, everybody needs that in their life to plump up your skin. So that is it, you guys, really, for this video. I'm super excited to be giving these away from Maybelline, so that will be in a future giveaway. Because, you guys, I just have so much stuff, and I'm starting to get overwhelmed, and it's just like, it's too much. I love reviewing products. It's great. It's amazing. I love using them. But when I get a lot, I love to give back, and that's why I am doing a giveaway on this BoxyCharm. You guys, I really miss you, and I can't thank you enough for being so patient with me. Again, I really, really, really can't. Also, I wanted to ask you guys a question, and I forget what it was. But we'll do a Q&A soon, or like story time with me. You know, I really want to talk to you guys about a few other things, you know, just stuff like that. I don't know, you guys, it was hard. And I don't like feeling like that at all. So look, I just want to show you guys this highlight. Comes like this. I didn't even try it yet. You open it. I don't even want to dry it out, but I want to show you guys what it looks like. So you open it. It's a cushion. And it's beautiful. I don't know if you can see it, but it's absolutely beautiful. I am into cream now, you guys. I'm into a lot of cream. I like cream blush. I like cream highlighters. I feel like with aging skin, it goes better. Like, I just feel like it's awesome. And another thing, if you guys are going to be at IMAX, please let me know. I'm going with my girls, Cynthia A. and Lauren Alexandra, and I know Jackie Rodriguez is going. I'm not sure who else is going, but if you're going, let me know, because I totally want to meet up with you guys, you know. Have some lunch, have a drink. That doesn't have to be alcohol. Well, maybe it could be, or have coffee, whatever, just to hang out with you guys, because I miss you guys so much, and I miss filming. Like I was telling my husband, I just miss filming, and I needed to get myself back. I didn't want to come on here all depressed and this and that. I don't want to do that. So when I had bad days, you guys, I just couldn't film. I couldn't do it. So I appreciate your time, you guys. Thank you so much. Make sure you put the notification on, you guys, because I don't know what's going on with YouTube, but put the notification on. Definitely, definitely check out everything I just showed you, because especially the beauty boxes and especially SkinCeuticals. I mean, this is bomb. This stuff is absolutely amazing. The whole line is amazing. I absolutely love it. It is the skincare that I have been using for a long time, and I'm happy to show you guys it in my video. All right, my friends, peace out. Have a great day. I'm going to get this hair done, and it's going to be a different color when I come back. This is a week of it not being washed. And yeah, that may sound disgusting, but you know what? That's what happens when you have dry hair. All right, my friends, I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I will see you in the next one. Hopefully, I can film today when I come back from getting my hair done, because I have a lot of more things to show you guys. So many good deals like this. Hold on. Like this deal, okay? I used to work for this company, Cargo. They are absolutely amazing, you guys. These liners, all of them, were $3.99 at TJ Maxx. Yes, they were. So I want to show you an amazing haul. I just have like so much to talk about, and I know I talk so much, so I'm going to end this video right now, and I will see you in the next one. All right, you guys, now I got to take a selfie. I don't know how I'm going to do this, so let's get into this. All right, let's try. Let's try. You guys know, if you're new to my channel, I always take selfies at the end, because I suck at doing thumbnails, and I need to learn how to do them. So this is how I do it, so you guys can go, and let me try to take my selfies. All right, you guys ready? Let's try to act like a real beauty blogger here. Let's see if I can do it. See, the problem is I need something long so you can't see my finger in it. Do you know what I mean? I don't have a remote control for this camera, so I don't think I could take a selfie. I can't take a selfie, you guys. I can't take a selfie. I love you guys. I will see you in the next one. Have a great day. Don't forget to leave a comment so you can enter this amazing giveaway. Ciao. Bye-bye, my friends.